achieve this look, baby? Watch the whole video, period, of Tastee.
Tell me where you been. Yeah, I'm trying to find you. Do I need to remind you? Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Octavia, aka Double O Styles, and welcome back, baby. Today we're doing a new wig. Same company I did on the last video. So if you did not check out my last video, make sure you check that out. Let me know your thoughts on that because, you know, I didn't know how to feel about it. So just let me know what you think. But this is another The Stylist wig. It is an invisible lace 13x6 pre-plucked 100% human hair master blend, transparent brown HG lace, high definition meltdown lace front. And this one is much more longer than the other one that I did. This one is in the color, what color? Bandage / chocolate. And her name is Tastee. So Tastee, you better treat me well, okay? Because I got pictures I gotta do today for my boutique. Okay? So make sure you get me correct, Tastee. Let's pull out the wig. Okay, so with Tastee, this is how Tastee looks. This one, you can move this one side to side because it's a 13x6 lace wig. This is how she looks. From the looks of it, look like she's like an 18-20 inch. And it has the chocolate on the outside. Ballage? Did I even say that right? Ballage / chocolate? Ballage. Okay, so yeah, it got these two different colors in here. One color on the inside, one on the outside. So when you flip it around or do your little curls thing, you're gonna have like highlights showing in the front. Pretty much excited, hope it goes well. Let's see. So when I put my fingers through it, it's very soft, okay? This one looks like you can pin this one up because it has the edges in the back and it has the edges in the front as well. This is the lace. This is where you can part all your little parts or whatever. Let me try this thing on. Let's see how this one goes and I will be right back. So far I'm loving how this color looks. Right now I'm pinning my hair back so I can fit this on correctly and glue this on correctly. So we got this got to be glue. Yeah, totally, girl. Spray it on, let it dry. Going to wrap my hair real fast so I can let that dry for a bit because I really need this one to stay on today. I got cute things to do today. Okay, so I'm gonna let that sit for a second. I'm gonna dry it, go outside for a little bit, go walk my dog. And I'm gonna show y'all the rest. Okay, so I cut the lace. What else I did? Ooh, kind of did my edges. Okay, little edges popping. I'm learning. That's all it is. I'm learning. I ain't a pro yet, but I'm still learning. I kind of had to I kind of had to use my brush and get some powder to match my skin because even though this is a brown lace, I feel like the lace was very not matching my skin too much. And I needed that thing to blend in and match with my skin. It was too white for it. So I did that and I did my edges, which was so easy with their edges. And y'all know I'd be too scared to do my edges, but I gave it a little try. And I was like, you know what? Do them edges for a change. And I like this wig so much better than the other one. Like, the Stylist, you have definitely improved. And I freaking love this color. These colors are so cute together. And I like how this one right here, it kind of flips out. So it brings out that inner color. And it brings it out like a little sneak peek. You know what I'm saying? Let me brush it. Oh, and by the way, when I was brushing it the first time, there was some hair coming out. And, ooh. Oh, I need to lace that, put that one down. Or do I need to? It depends what side I'm gonna wear my hair on because I really don't like spraying too much glue on my head. Yeah, I'm gonna do it on this side for my pictures today. I really like how the colors just flip out like the way it is. This is very cute. I'm also very proud of myself when it came to those edges. So yeah, I really like this one. So out of the two that I did a review on, you tell me though, because certain styles fit me better and certain styles might fit you a little bit better. So you look at my other stylist video and you tell me which one you think would look better on you, because I know for a fact I feel like this one right here looks better on me. Like, and then I'm so glad I got this color, because I was first gonna get an all natural black color, but I'm so glad I got this one because I like how the color is just coming out. Like, even though when I first showed y'all the wig, the color was in the back, and it's kind of like in the back if you have it like this, but when you pull it out and you let the curls flip, the wave flip how it needs to flip, then that color comes out. So I'm so glad I got this color. I suggest that you get the same one as well. Add some color in your life, and if you don't like the color, you have the option to hide it in the back. So see, she got all black. I prefer the color. I prefer the color because that's what makes this wig so special to me. These are the parts. Yeah, I like that. Because you see the chocolate on the outside, but you see the peanut butter on the inside. That's a Snickers bar. That's a Snickers bar. Let's see how that middle part gonna look. This is fabulous. The stylist, you did this. You did your thing on this one, sis. And it's not too much hair. It's like perfect amount of hair. Which one y'all like better, the middle part or y'all like the side part? But you know me, I'm more of a side part type of girl. I love my wigs on the side. Make sure you put in the comments how you feel about this wig. Would you rock this wig, sis? Would you get this one? Which one would you get? The first one I did a wig review on, or would you get this one? Cause this one right here is all me, baby. This right here is all me, baby. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for being a subscriber. And if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and press the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys later.